Hey everyone, I'm Jake with WMD Solutions. This is a tutorial on how to run LayerSlider in WordPress. LayerSlider is a very powerful plugin. It's pretty ubiquitous in the WordPress ecosystem. I've found it on almost every WordPress installation I've ever seen. So this is a very powerful plugin for creating slideshows. We're going to dive right into a video tutorial on how to create a simple 3-frame slideshow with text and buttons, and then we'll publish it on a post. Here we go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is find LayerSlider in the left-hand menu in WordPress. Then we're going to add a new project. I'm going to name this Test Slider. Okay, first thing I want to do is switch over to the slide screen and add a background image and thumbnail. I'll start with a thumbnail. I have 3 prepared images here. Next, we're going to add a text layer by selecting Add Layer and select Add Text. Make sure you have the Layers tools selected. Type in the box the text you'd like to display. You can scale and drag the text. In the Styles tools, you can select fonts. We're going to go with Oswald. Next, we'll select a color. I'm going to go with white so that it has a nice pop against that busy background. And add bold. I can also scroll down and add a text shadow. I'm going to give it a nice dark text shadow and offset it vertically and horizontally. Next, we'll add a button by clicking on Add Layer again, and this time selecting Button. On the right bar, again, enter your text and set styles. We'll have this say Explore San Diego, drag and scale. We'll set the font to be Oswald and arrange our layers. Next thing, you'll need to add a link and then enter the path. Okay, we will add our second slide now by clicking the plus button, and we'll set a background image, then a thumbnail. Next, we'll add text. I'll go through this quickly. We're repeating steps. We'll add text, we'll add a button. We'll say book your stay. Then add a path. This is an internal path. And I want to add all caps. So I'll click this button here, the all caps button. All right, I'm going to save my work. Now that we have all 3 of our slides in place, the next thing we want to do is set the slide duration. On the slide toolbar on the right-hand side, we're going to set the slide duration in milliseconds. So I want to set my slides to be 5 seconds each, so I will enter 5,000. Set the duration, then I'll preview the project. And it looks great. There are so many options with LayerSlider, we're just scratching the surface. Now that we have our sliders perfect, I'm going to save, then we'll publish and copy the shortcode. Next, we'll go exit to the WordPress admin, and I'm going to go to a test post that I have created, and I will just simply paste the shortcode there and save the draft and preview, and voila, we've got our slideshow. Well, I hope you found that tutorial helpful. Again, this is Jake with WMD Solutions. If you like this and found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, you know the drill. Bang the bell, the whole deal. And check out another one coming up next time. In the meantime, take care of yourselves and peace out.